Since its inception in 1884, Swiss watchmaker Victorinox has epitomized utilitarian excellence, most notably with the creation of its iconic Swiss Army knife. Steeped in history and renowned for its commitment to no-nonsense functionality, since entering into horology in 1989, Victorinox has seamlessly transitioned its expertise in tool manufacturing to the world of watches, today offering an attractive and sporty catalog. One of the brand's latest creations, the Journey 1884 Automatic Collection, is a testament to its Swiss roots, drawing inspiration from the country's hiking paths and signs while maintaining a harmonious balance between adventure and urban utility. The Journey 1884 collection boasts a diverse range of distinctive watches, each powered by either a reliable quartz or a sophisticated automatic movement. The Journey 1884 automatic models in particular showcase the urban architectural influence of the collection through its mechanization. With a bold design and a namesake automatic-powered caliber, these timepieces are crafted to be the perfect daily companion, adept at navigating the dynamic landscape of the urban environment. The steel case of the Journey Automatic measures 43 mm in diameter and 12 mm in height, making a substantial yet stylish statement on the wrist. The smart silhouette of the watch draws inspiration from Swiss Army knife-inspired shapes and industrial engraved material codes, with the look cleverly alluding to the legacy of the brand. The ceramic inlay bezel, featuring sleek facing reminiscent of modern city skylines, not only adds a touch of urban sophistication but also ensures practicality with its easy grip edge. Victorinox provides versatility in styling by offering the choice of a sporty rubber strap, steel bracelet, or an innovative wooden. The dial of the Journey 1884 automatic is available in 3 color options, including a cool blue, matte black, and eye-catching green. The bright white indices and partially skeletonized hands ensure optimal legibility in any setting. Adding a pop of color and a nod to Swiss hiking signs, a vibrant yellow seconds hand stands out boldly against its background. Geometric and textural touches throughout add to the dimensionality of the style, while a subtle date indicator at the 6 o'clock position allows for increased utility in day-to-day wear. ISO certified for shock and water resistance up to 200 m, the Swiss automatic movement powering the watch is well protected for any adventure. The caliber is additionally visible via an exhibition case back itself embossed with the outline of the Victorinox's signature pocket knife. The Victorinox Journey 1884 is available now through authorized boutiques and via the brand directly, with pricing for the quartz editions ranging from $650 to $900 depending on the color and strap option, while the automatic editions begin at $1,150 up to $1,200. If you like this video, please comment, likes and subscribes.